I'm not sure the number 2, the speaker is here. Mr. Mingla. Maybe not, no? So we pass to the third paper. Will be presented by Kun Audomlak from Faculty of Technology and Environment, Prince of Songkhla University. She will present the paper entitled Correlation between Phytoplankton Distribution and Land Use Land Cover in Phuket Reservoirs.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Audomlak Khongsang. I am a graduate student from Faculty of Technology and Environment, Prince of Songkhla University, Phuket campus. This is the first time of my international presentation conference. Please give me many suggestions or comments. I will apply it to improve my study and make it better. Okay, today I am going to talk to you about my study in topic correlation between phytoplankton distribution and land use and cover in Phuket Reservoir. Firstly, I will talk about background and context, and secondly, in method and result, and this kind and conclusion finally. Okay, let's start by looking at the background of this study. We start with the question how land use and cover can affect the water quality. To understand this question, it's important to understand non-point source loading for pollution. Residential, urban, built-up area are dominant factors in generating large amount of non-point source pollution from water discharge into the water surface. In general, land use and cover chain are related to increase in economic development, consequently have an adverse impact on the water quality. Higher percentage of development land use area are related to higher concentration of water pollutant. In contrast, undeveloped land, such as forests, are usually related to good water quality. How do phytoplankton relate to water quality? Phytoplankton composition and distribution are widely used as a biological indicator of water quality in tropical reservoirs. Phytoplankton is the basis of food chain, directly providing food for zooplankton, fish, or some other aquatic animals. Phuket province. This is my study area. Phuket province is the island that located on southern Thailand. This place is one of many tourist destinations where development is expanding rapidly and significant from tourism activity. Correspondingly, high rate of population growth and urbanization. This leads to the increasing of demand for water use and may rise the water shortage issue in dry season. Yes, this is me and my friend. Okay. In the past, Phuket province has many mining pits, but in the present, the pits were not used for the mine industry. This becomes to be an important water resource of the province to supply the water water use for residential community and tourist business. Despite this, to our best knowledge, neither monitoring water quality in this reservoir nor detecting non-poisonous due to land use and cover adjacent to them have been previously reported. The main of the purpose of this study was investigation of correlation between phytoplankton distribution in phytoplankton distribution and land use and cover in 6 major reservoirs of Phuket province. Now, moving on to the next section, let's take a look at the study area. This is Phuket province in southern of Thailand. And this is the boundary of the province. The red triangle shows you a sampling site in 6 reservoirs in 3 districts of the study area. Okay. Bangmaruan Reservoir and Nok Reservoir is located in Talang district. Ban Thai and Chao Pha Reservoir is located in Mueang district, and Anupat and PSU Reservoir located in Katu district. This is framework positioned in 2 parts. In the left-hand part was the solution for monitoring the phytoplankton community. We start with collect water sample in 6 sampling sites. After that, we counter and identify the phytoplankton community in laboratory. And this part, we study about the spatial and temporal distribution of phytoplankton. In the right-hand part is one solution for classify the land use land cover using GIS in buffer zone 500 meters adjacent to each reservoir. And we receive the percentage of urbanized area. Phytoplankton samples were collected every 2 months during June 2011 to January 2012. That can be in 2 seasons, wet and dry. HE reservoir phytoplankton samples were collected by dragging and filtering water through 20 micrometer mass size plankton net. The sample will fixed with 5% formalin solution before transportation. In the past of land use and cover classification, data used in this study were land use map of 2010 obtained from the Land Development Department. The land use were classified in 5 types, including urban, forest, agriculture, water, and other. Land use, land cover type were classified in buffer zone within 500 meters adjacent to each reservoir. And then we group the land use type in 3 categories. Category 1 is a highly urbanized area, and category 2 is combination area. In category 3 is less urbanized area. Okay, let's move to the result. This table shows the percentage of land use in 3 categories. In category 1, there are 3 reservoirs in category 1, and in category 2 we have 2 reservoirs, and another one is in category 3. If you look at the red circle in category 1, this is the percentage in urban area. This combination have a percentage. Okay. In the major land use of Nok Reservoir was forest area and combined with the para-rubber in agriculture, there is a field of urban area. The result of phytoplankton distribution, 6 classes were identified. The highest diversity was Corophyceae, with 18 genera, accounting for 54% of the total phytoplankton genera list, and other group was represented by fewer genera. In the red color frame show you a corophyte group were found over 70% of our composition in the Anupat and Anupat, yes, this is Anupat and Marmaduan reservoir, and over 40% in other reservoirs, except in wet season of Ban Thai reservoir, Jaffa, and PSU. Yellow color frame show the wet season of Ban Thai has a high percent of cyanobacteria, whereas a high percentage of Chrysophyceae was found in PSU shown in a green color. Another one is the orange color frame shows Jaffa in wet season was high percentage of Dinophyceae. Okay, this is the phytoplankton community and dominate genera. The red color number show the highest density of the total found in the wet season by Storatum genera, Storatum, and the lowest density was found in dry season, was shown in green number of no reservoir. Both in category 1 and 2 were similar dominated by, in category 1 and 3 were similar dominated by Storastum and Peridinium. Ban Thai reservoir was dominated by genus Oscillatoria in both dry and wet season, and PSU reservoir dominated by Dinobran in both season. This is graph show the phytoplankton density during wet and dry seasons. Density of phytoplankton in wet season was higher than dry season in all reservoirs, except in Anupat reservoir. In Ban Thai reservoir was high density in wet season, while in dry season, Anupat was higher. No reservoir was the lowest density in both seasons. Okay, we continue with the discussion. The correlation analysis indicates a linkage between land use, land cover, and the phytoplankton distribution in the reservoir. The reservoir with a highly urbanized has positive relation with a phytoplankton density. The reservoir with a less urbanized area are negative the relationship. Especially the reservoir with a combination of highly urbanized and agricultural area has positive too. Our finding disclose that this is a sign of declining in water quality in the urbanization expansion, and not for the reservoir with a high percentage of forest. Okay. Our study found temporal variation in phytoplankton community structure. Generally, the one of main factor influencing phytoplankton abundance and distribution are availability of nutrients in tropical reservoir. The results show a high total density of phytoplankton was observed in wet season. After rainfall event, nutrient load will increase in high flow conditions through the land use and cover area and discharge to the water bodies. This is Audomlak reservoir in one of sampling site. They covered by a lot of golf course area. The reservoir with the golf course cover was a high of phytoplankton density and composition, especially in dry season. Due to maintaining the green turf in dry season, chemically fertilizer, pesticide treatment has been used and such harmful to water quality and may such harmful to water quality. Well, that's brings us to the end of the final section. I would like to summarize my study in conclusion. The distribution of phytoplankton in 6 meters of Phuket reservoir was influenced by different land use and cover type adjacent to the reservoir. Urban land use on the changing water quality was marked in this study. And finally, controlling on land use and cover development were important to maintaining or improve the current status of water quality of the water resource. Okay, finally, I would like to finish by thanking you all for your attention. If anyone has a question, I will do my best to answer them. Thank you very much.
Any question or comment or recommendation?
Why some areas during the wet season there is no
Qualified distribution in all sampling sites in my study.
but in wet season
Uh-huh.
in some areas there is no qualified. Why?
Oh, okay. Sorry. In some area.
From your study.
I think it's maybe it's different type of land use and source of water floating into the chorophycy is distribution in every area, but in some month and some time to collect the sample, it have bloom. You meaning in Ban Thai was dominated by oscillatoria, right?
From your
Uh-huh.
in the PSU area
Yeah.
in the wet season there is no qualified.
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
Yes.
Why? Because the land use in the PSU is covered by forest or by
Uh-huh. The most of PSU is combination land use with the PSU university and the forest, evergreen forest especially in PSU.
so that resulted in this in the wet season there's no qualified.
And investigation and still have mark is lower than the line.
You can see to
Yeah. Anh này,
in your graph. Wet
Sorry,
season
sorry.
time.
this graph
Yes. There is no qualified.
in PSU.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is chorophycy. The color is not different. This dinophycy. Oh, sorry. This opacity and chorophycy in PSU in the season. Yes. slower.
Okay, on behalf of the audience, so we would like to thank Audomlak to share the interesting research to us. So please give the big hand again.